Health advantages water and ACV. The majority of it may seem that ACV only opt for salad. Well, it can make a great salad dressing. However, it really has got the other benefits because it is mixing with water. Well, you may make an solution from it, also it can do a lot of things to improve your health. Clearly to drink it directly should you help to health benefit. The pure ACV may burn your windpipe. Therefore, you have to combine a minimum of a teaspoon with 8 ounces water. Should you not such as the taste, to include some sweetener to release the taste. By doing this, you'll have the health advantages water and ACV. Slim down. People have used ACV for a long time as the health advantages water and ACV to shed weight. ACV has the effective ability in trimming your stomach fat. You could have it with cinnamon and honey to get the advantages of honey and cinnamon to lose weight. Prevent brittle bones. Water and ACV is surprisingly in a position to prevent brittle bones in aged women. It's possible because the ACV attribute towards the calcium absorbent inside the bone. As you may know, the primary reason for brittle bones may be the calcium deficiency, making the bone becomes weak and fragile. Improves heart health. As the opportunity to reduce the bloodstream pressure, it's also able to keep the center health. ACV has the capacity to keep your good cholesterol, keep your low triglycerides, and additional help you stay from the heart illnesses reported by Medscape General Medicine.